It's your boy Danny from Harris with another exclusive. Don't forget to like and subscribe after this video.
Mike, this is our 4th job for Mrs. Brown in the last 4 years.
Okay.
She has a new sprinkler installation on Bergen Street, sprinkler and domestic. The previous job we did for her was in 2020.
Okay.
We submitted pricing. She's completely shocked that cost of everything has gone up. And she doesn't understand. She's not a contractor. She owns a bunch of homes and their investments. And she just doesn't understand why the cost went up. I had to drop the price.
Like significantly?
10%, which is a lot on a job like this.
This is a busy area. This is where off of Rogers and Nostrand.
So the question is, where do we cut our costs? How do we cut our costs? And where are we saving here?
So I see you had it originally for 3 days, right? That's
Yes.
with the backfill.
Yep.
They gave us what working hours?
Standard 7 to 6.
It's a 3-inch and an inch and a half.
Correct.
So we should be able to, theoretically, we should be able to get it done. Obviously the street's gonna be the most challenging part. We gotta get to the property line day one.
No, I think we have to dig everything out on day 1.
Inside we're going through a wall.
Through a wall, the whole 9. That's the only way you're gonna get this job done in 2 days with the backfill. You gotta get everything dug out day 1.
Who you plan on sending there?
I think we have to send Julio's crew.
Okay.
You know, on these types of jobs, they work smart, they work quick. I feel most confident in them getting it done in a form that we need.
Huh? Yeah, but now I'm recording you. Now I'm taking a video of you. So like, how are we feeling today?
Not good.
Not good? Why? It's hot today.
Yeah, too hot.
Too hot? How are we feeling? How do you feel about the job? You're gonna get it done on time? I'm gonna keep interviewing you. We're gonna do this. We're gonna start a campaign. We're gonna ask the audience at home if they feel like Julio should be in more videos. So if you think Julio should be in more videos, then you have to like this video. What do you think if we get, how many? 100 likes, you'll host a video?
Maybe 0 like.
Huh?
A 0.
0? I mean, 0 likes is easy. Try to make it hard.
All right, so actually this job is a repair with a sprinkler and a domestic line. Yesterday we start off with the excavation, do all the dugout and all of that.
Saw your skills guiding the backhoe, you know, it's how did you sort of find your style when you guide the backhoe?
I mean, when you see me, you see the backhoe. I'm a rigger. I'm the best rigger that ever be and will be. So when you're doing this type of rigging, you gotta, you know what I'm saying, you gotta flow with the machine. You gotta do the balance. You gotta move with the bucket. The same way the bucket move, you gotta move like that.
Pipe? Yeah. So is it cooler down there than it is up here?
Cooler down there, yeah.
Yeah, because usually, right, like it's cooler during the summer and then it's warmer in the winter, right?
When the time hot, it's cooler down there.
Yep.
And when the time cold, it's warmer down there.
It's warmer down there. So the nicest place to be is the sewer, it sounds like.
Yeah, when the time cold, yeah.
So tell us, this is not brand sponsored, but what are you drinking right now? Can you tell us what you're drinking? Is this okay?
Hulk. Hulk in a bottle.
Hulk in a bottle. Is that how you get this done?
Definitely. Right now I'm on a bus route, really crazy. Traffic, people, everything, it's just crazy. But with experience and knowledge is power. So we use all that knowledge and we conquer the street, we maneuver the job, and we got it under control. Traffic is flowing and the job is getting done. So here you see we already has the 3-inch valve right here and the 3-inch line already installed. So at this moment now we're just waiting to install the other section of the domestic pipe into the house. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Once again, guys, another exclusive.